Samsung just launched the Galaxy S26 series phones along with the new buds, and we got our hands on all of these devices, and in the next couple of minutes you're going to know everything there is to know about the latest Samsung flagships. So let's go. Starting with the most compact device of this new series, the Samsung Galaxy S26, the most noticeable change here is the camera bump that it now shares with its foldable siblings. It is packing a 6.27-inch FHD Plus dynamic AMOLED 2x display. The S26 feels light, one-hand friendly, and has also received a spec bump with the new 3.8 GHz Exynos 2600 chip and 12 GB RAM and up to 512 GB storage. This one comes with 50 plus 10 plus 12 MP rear camera setup and a 12 megapixel selfie shooter along with a 4300 mAh battery, which is 300 mAh more than last year's base S25. And all of this starts from Rs 87,999. There are 6 colorways, namely Cobalt Violet, Black, Sky Blue, White, and Samsung Online Store exclusive Pink, Gold, and Silver Shadow. There's also Galaxy AI on board, which now has powerful features that allow you to not just remove but also add new objects into your images. Coming to the big brother now, the S26 Plus. This too feels light for its size, but you will need both hands to use this phone. It gets a 6.66-inch QHD Plus dynamic AMOLED 2x display and a bigger 1400 mAh cell. The chip, RAM, storage and cameras are exactly the same as the base S26. But color options are fewer as there is no sky blue or white colorway. And the price starts from 1,19,999 rupees. But both the Galaxy S26 and 26 Plus miss out on one feature that you were waiting for, and we will shortly talk about that. Let's get to the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. The slimmest Ultra till date at 7.9mm thickness, definitely feels light, still not one-hand friendly, but the cameras have been tweaked to get around 50% more light from the wide and telephoto sensors and APV codec support for videos, which is great for creators. Camera comprises of 200MP plus 50 plus 50 plus 10MP at the back and a 12MP selfie shooter up front. There's also 10-bit color display, which means increased color accuracy, and the processor is now a Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy with a rearranged vapor chamber, 12 GB RAM and up to 1 TB of storage. That said, this also gets Galaxy AI agentic features along with a 5000 mAh cell. And now I'm coming to the one feature you were waiting for, privacy display. Definitely the highlight, 2-pixel arrangement that cuts off shoulder surface without compromising on the display quality. And I could at times not even tell if the privacy display was on when using this phone. And you can even partially turn it on just to hide sensitive notifications. However, this feature has only arrived on the Galaxy S26 Ultra, so this is the feature that the base S26 and 26 Plus will be missing out on. Back to the Ultra, this phone is starting from Rs 1,39,999. Lastly, there's the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, launched at Rs 22,999. Compact case design, the in-hand feel is solid. These are metal buds with the new blade design, bigger drivers and head tracking for calls and notifications. The stem feels long when holding them in the hand, but it neatly fit in my ear, so I think these should be comfortable to use. Samsung has also launched the base Buds 4, which doesn't get the voice detect feature and has a different driver, but it is also available for much less at Rs 16,999. Now that was a quick and thorough hands-on from the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event. We will be covering the Galaxy S26 series and the Buds 4 Pro in depth in the coming days. So make sure you follow Gadgets 360. My name is Manik Beri and I'll catch you in the next video.